Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and this is a continuation of my previous video on chakras. On my previous video I briefed you about chakras and also spoke about two of the main energy chakras, which is the root chakra and the sacral chakra. In this video I will be talking about the next three chakras, which is the solar plexus chakra, the heart chakra, as well as the throat chakra. And I will also give you tips on how to balance these chakras. For those of you all who don't know me, my name is Shreya. I am a Reiki healer, a tarot card reader, an angel bliss practitioner, as well as an NLP coach. Let us start with the solar plexus chakra. This chakra, also known as the Manipura chakra, is located 2 inches above the navel, your stomach area. This chakra is yellow in color and is associated with the fire element. This chakra manages your stomach, liver, small intestine, pancreas, and all the body parts which are in and around your stomach. This chakra is the center of personal power, ego, strength, anger, and self-respect. If this chakra is out of balance, one may lack confidence, or you might feel what others are thinking about you. There are chances of depression. Physically, it affects the stomach, liver problems, stomach allergies, digestive problems. All these issues might occur, even diabetes. And how to balance this chakra? You can stay happy and satisfied. Might sound a little difficult, but in a simpler way, you can eat more of yellow food, or wear yellow clothes, or be in and around the fire element, and even you can invoke Archangel Jophiel. Now let me tell you all about the heart chakra, or the Anahata chakra. The location of this chakra is your heart. As the name says, heart chakra, the location is your heart. This chakra is green in color and it is associated with the air element. This chakra controls your heart, lungs, shoulder, upper back, and your circulatory organs. This chakra is associated with spirituality, compassion, love for yourself and for others. If this chakra is out of balance, you might feel sorry for yourself, fear of letting go, unworthy of love, self-doubt, paranoid, and even indecisive. Physical problems like heart attack, low blood pressure, insomnia, and lack of breathing might occur. And how do you activate this chakra? You can have lot of green food in your diet, or else visualize a warm green light when you're meditating or praying. Spend time around the air element, and you can even invoke Archangel Raphael. Now let us move on to the next chakra, which is the throat chakra, also known as the Vishuddha chakra. This location of this chakra is your throat. This chakra is of sky blue color and the element is sky. This chakra controls the throat, lungs, neck, teeth. This chakra is the center of your communication, voice, and expression. If this chakra is out of balance, one might be quiet, feel difficulty in expressing their feelings, and might hold back a lot of feelings. And physical problems like ear pain, throat infection, skin diseases, hyperthyroid might occur. You can activate this chakra by understanding the value of peace and understanding. Eat lot of blue food, wear blue clothes, you can even watch the clouds, and you can invoke Archangel Michael to empower your throat chakra. Now you can self-analyze your chakras and work towards balancing your chakras and lead a better life. If you like this video, do press the like button and share it with your loved ones, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I will be talking about the third eye chakra and the crown chakra. Until then, stay safe and happy. Thank you.